Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be learning about how you can sign up in CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is tap open your CapCut app. So once you tap it open, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where you need to tap on sign in with email. So once you tap it, you will be ending up in this kind of interface. Now simply tap on the sign up option and then enter your email address. Now press on the continue button and a code will be sent to your email. Now all you need to do is simply type in the verification code and press the continue button. So once you do this, now you need to create a strong password for your CapCut app and then press on the continue. After this, just enter your birth date and press on the continue option again. After you do so, you need to set a nickname. However, this is an optional idea, so you can either fill it and press the confirm button or just skip it. So now you are signed up into your CapCut account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.